What happens to your body when you eat one meal a day? The one meal a day, OMAD diet, is a popular form of intermittent fasting, where you eat all your daily calories in a single meal, typically within a 1-hour window. The rest of the day is spent fasting, giving your body 23 hours to rest from digestion. But what actually happens to your body when you follow this extreme eating pattern? Let's take a closer look at the effects of eating just one meal a day. 1. Improved insulin sensitivity. One of the most significant benefits of OMAD is its effect on insulin sensitivity. When you eat throughout the day, your body experiences multiple insulin spikes as you digest food. However, with OMAD, you're giving your body a long break from food. This extended fasting period helps regulate blood sugar levels and can improve insulin sensitivity over time. Improved insulin sensitivity means your body becomes more efficient at processing glucose, which can help with weight management and may reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. For those already managing insulin resistance, OMAD could potentially improve blood sugar control, but only if you make healthy food choices during your one meal. 2. Fat burning and weight loss. Another reason people turn to OMAD is for weight loss. With a shorter eating window, many people naturally consume fewer calories, which leads to a caloric deficit, a key component of weight loss. But there's more to it than just eating less. When you fast for 23 hours, your body eventually runs out of its stored glucose, glycogen, and turns to fat for fuel. This is when fat burning accelerates. During this fasting period, your body enters a state called ketosis, in which it burns fat more efficiently for energy. Additionally, the longer you fast, the more likely your body is to break down and burn stored fat, while preserving lean muscle mass. This makes OMAD an attractive option for people seeking to lose fat while maintaining muscle. However, for OMAD to effectively aid in weight loss, it's important to make the right food choices during your meal, as overeating or consuming unhealthy foods can offset the benefits. 3. Increased mental clarity and energy. Many OMAD practitioners report feeling mentally sharper and more focused throughout the day. This is due to the fact that, during fasting, your body is not constantly digesting food, and your energy is redirected towards cognitive functions. Some studies also suggest that fasting promotes the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, which is associated with improved brain function, learning, and memory. Additionally, OMAD can boost energy levels, as you're not experiencing the typical post-meal sluggishness that comes from digesting large meals. Instead, your body is running efficiently on stored energy, which can leave you feeling more alert and productive. 4. Cellular repair and autophagy. Fasting also triggers a process called autophagy, a natural process where your body breaks down and recycles damaged cells. This is particularly beneficial for overall cellular health and longevity. Autophagy helps remove toxins and cellular debris, promoting tissue repair and regeneration. While autophagy is triggered after about 12 hours of fasting, the longer you fast, up to 24 hours, the more profound the effects. Eating one meal a day allows your body ample time to enter this repair mode, potentially leading to better overall health, improved skin, and even a reduction in inflammation. 5th, potential risks and drawbacks. While OMAD can offer numerous benefits, it's not without potential risks, especially if done incorrectly or for extended periods. One of the main concerns with OMAD is the possibility of nutrient deficiencies. If you're only eating once a day, it can be challenging to meet all of your nutritional needs, especially if you're not consuming a well-balanced, nutrient-dense meal. Additionally, the restrictive nature of OMAD can be difficult for some people to stick with, leading to feelings of deprivation, irritability, or even overeating during the single meal. For some, this can result in digestive discomfort or gastrointestinal issues. Finally, OMAD may not be suitable for everyone. People with certain health conditions, such as those with eating disorders, diabetes, or heart issues, should consult a healthcare professional before attempting such an extreme diet. Conclusion. Eating one meal a day can offer a variety of benefits, including improved insulin sensitivity, fat burning, mental clarity, and cellular repair. However, it's essential to approach OMAD with caution, ensuring that your one meal is nutrient-rich and balanced. While it may help with weight loss and overall health, it's not a one-size-fits-all approach, and it may not be sustainable for everyone. If you're considering OMAD, make sure to listen to your body and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any underlying health concerns.